Okay, so hey, yeah, guys, my name is Krishna Mato, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about 6 best free prototyping tools that you can use to develop your applications, be it web application or mobile application or desktop application. Anything you feel like, you can prototype any kind of application with the help of these tools. Okay, so let me tell you that prototyping is a very important thing when it comes to software development, because if you have an initial plan that how your application would look like, then the execution would be in a more different way and in a more better way, and the quality will automatically enhance. So today I'm going to talk about 6 best free prototyping tools. So without getting further ado, let's get started. And also I will discuss that which is my favorite prototyping tool. So watch the video till the end to know the secret. Alright, so let's jump straight into the video. Coming to the first prototyping tool, that is Origami Studio. Actually, Origami is developed at Facebook as a tool for building and designing products. So Origami is available free for Mac users. Actually, it's free for the Mac users. You just need to be a registered Apple developer to get started, like with Xcode and Quartz Composer installed. So but once you have jumped to the necessary hoops, you'll find that it's easy to start creating with Origami, like thanks to the wealth of online documentation, tutorials and ready-made prototypes. So it becomes very easy for the beginners to play with the stuffs. So like you can import designs from Sketch and Photoshop with projects layered, preserved, and create concepts with simulated scrolling tabs, swipes and page links. As well as the mobile apps, you can also use like Origami to create responsive websites, web designs with features such as text input and drag and drop. And once you're finished, it's easy to export prototypes to be added to the project. So that's really a helpful tool. So coming to the next is the Webflow. Webflow has plenty of paid plans also on offer for all teams. Actually, it's a enterprise kind of product. So if you have a team, if you have a big team to work with, you can also choose the paid plan. But if you just want to take the experience of the tool, then you can choose the free plan also. So that will do a great job of getting you started, allowing you to like 1 to 2 projects, but no code export or project transfer option is there. So like with a visual CMS, you can create dynamic responsive prototypes without having to write any code, and it comes with a library of templates and components to make it even easier to build your project. So prototypes can be connected to over 400 services including Slack, Google Drive and MailChimp. And if you get stuck, there's wealth of online documentation to help you out. I have used Webflow 1 or 2 times, and there are plenty of tutorials in the YouTube and plenty of documentation over internet. So you can just anytime you can just look over it, and you will definitely find some of the other way to help you out. So that's what Webflow is. So the next tool is called Vector. Actually, Vector is built as a free cross-platform vector design app. Vector also works very well as a free prototyping tool. Actually, it's free, of course, so you can just go and try it out. It's designed to be easy to pick up and play with, and after following tutorials, you'll be ready to start designing. One really useful collaboration function is its link sharing option. Like with that, you can send a link to others, and they'll be able to watch you edit in real time and provide quick feedback. And once you're done, your finished design can be exported as a JPG, PNG or SVG, like whatever you feel like. So you can just choose that option and export it. So yeah, that if you want to start with your vector designing skills, so you can just pick this tool and just start with it. So that will be very handy to use because it's a very simple tool, and there are tutorials around in YouTube, so you can just watch that out and go ahead with your vector designing journey. So this is a very useful tool because in websites there are many places where you will need vector designs to add to make your site look cool. So if you already know vector designing, it will be very helpful for you. Now coming to the next tool, that is called Just-in-Mind. Actually, Just-in-Mind's powerful prototyping tool is available to download for free, but to get the full set of features, you'll need to sign up for a paid subscription. Okay, however, for our more basic projects, Just-in-Mind also provides a wireframing tool that's free forever and allows you to create unlimited prototypes, pages, and like users for both web and mobile apps. Okay, so like during your 15-day trial period, you'll get access to more advanced functionality such as like advanced web interactions and mobile gestures and plus effects, transitions, and animations. So you might feel inclined to pay up for the full feature. So like that's a business strategy, that they are giving just 15 days free trial and they are attracting you towards their product. So that's a good business strategy. Okay, so the inclination will automatically come like for you to pay for the full feature set once the trial period runs out. So this is a very wonderful tool. I have used the free trial, and if you also want to pay for the full access, you can also try it. Now coming to the last tool in this queue is the Figma, and it's my favorite prototyping tool. It gives you immense amount of features and like immense amount of collaboration features also. Like if you're working in a team, it's a great product, and this is my favorite till now. Okay, so just have a look at it and see how it looks like for anyone wanting to work collaboratively on their prototypes. Figma is a brilliant solution. As I already told you, it enables designers to work together in real time and also makes it easy to share works in progress with clients and stakeholders. And crucially, it enables you to build prototypes that feel like the real deal, like complete with interactions, animations, and dynamic content overlays, and etc. Like while the professional versions of Figma are paid only, there's a free starter version that's ideal for getting up to speed up with the tools. It allows for up to 2 editors and 3 projects with unlimited cloud storage and a 30-day version history. If you're a student though, it's worth knowing that you should qualify for free access to Figma's professional plan, giving you unlimited project and much more. So like Figma is a great tool. You can go and use it. Like the enterprise plan is of course a paid one, but if you just want to use it and getting your hands on it, so just go and get your hand dirty, because it's a great prototyping tool to use. And if you want to design your application, then Figma is a great tool. And of course, if you go and you can't understand anything, then just look for the tutorials in the YouTube. There are plenty of tutorials for Figma and like plenty of documentations also. So just look for it and just get started. And also if you want tutorial from me, just comment down below. I'll just make a tutorial on how to use Figma, so you will just know how to use it. Okay, so that's it for the video guys. If you like the video, just hit the like button, and if you didn't like the video, hit the dislike button. And also if you like a content, then please subscribe to the channel, because many of the viewers just watch the video and do not subscribe. So yeah, if you subscribe to the channel, then it will be a very motivating factor for me. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I post a video, you will never miss that one. So yeah, thanks a lot guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.